3D Printing 101 started out of the concept that access to 3D printing, actually seeing it, letting people see the object go from an idea and turning into a physical object is mind-blowing. My name's Aaron Roy. I work with 3D Printer OS. We've built the world's first cloud operating system for 3D printers. Every single 3D printer had its own software. What we wanted to do was create one single workflow that worked for any type of 3D printer, so it was easy for anyone to pick up. 3D Printing 101 has had an absolutely incredible response here in Brooklyn and in Manhattan as well. We've had people as young as 5 years old come to these classes, and we've had PhDs, doctorates, people with advanced degrees in fields like mathematics and architecture come to these types of classes because everyone is interested in this type of technology. Classes bring people from all walks of life, and that really adds to the experience for us as the teachers. So teaching a 3D printing class, it's a labor of love in the first place. And one of the things that was most frustrating when we first started teaching these classes is often the machines we were teaching on were broke. So we actually spent more time fixing machines, more time, focusing on just making sure the machines would work than really getting to teach. And that's kind of ran counterintuitive to our goal as a class. Working with Ultimaker, the one thing we were able to check mark and move on from was having great machines to really teach the attendees that, hey, this is 3D printing, now we can focus on how does this process work. Packaging is super important. A lot of these machines just come in boxes, and once you take that machine out the box, it's very difficult to transport. The Ultimaker To Go, when it first came out, the first thing you'll notice is just beautiful industrial design. The packaging for it is very, very secure. It had straps. It felt like something where I could drop it, and I have dropped it, where it'll still work. It really gives a peace of mind and makes it feel like something that I can move from place to place. The Ultimaker To Go backpack fits perfectly with this great design by Ultimaker. It's something I can put on my shoulders, get on the subway, go to class, bring it with me when I go visit clients. It really adds a whole new degree of mobility to owning a 3D printer, something I did never experience before. It really looks like something that you're not just buying to put on your desk and leave and forget. It's something you're buying that you can bring with you to class, bring with you to a client. It looks like it's meant to actually be mobile, which is completely different than most 3D printers I've seen.